Hey everyone, I'm Holly, part of the Bobbi Brown UK Pro team, and today I'm going to be showing you how to elongate and define round eye shapes. So I always like to start with a base colour, and I'm going to go in with the Malted Pink Cream Shadow Stick. These are super long wearing and crease free and perfect as a base or even on their own. And I'm literally just going to draw this all over the eyelid, right up, and then with my finger I'm just going to blend all of it out. So the next step that I'm going to do is go in with an even lighter powder base, and the reason why I love to do this is that it just super lifts the eye shape. So literally just going in with the colour Ivory with the Eye Sweep brush, and I'm just going to press right up to the brow, and I'm going to bring it onto the eyelid. So I'm creating this really nice smooth bright base. And you'll see instantly that it just lifts the eyes and makes the brow bone look higher. So the next step is elongating the eye, and I'm going to go in with the colour Toast. Always start from the outer edge towards the outer part of the brow, just up there, bringing it into the crease. Avoid going too round because we're going more elongate, not round. And this brush basically does all the work for you. It's very easy to work with. And then bringing it just underneath the eyes to connect the colour. So the next step would be your eyeliner. I like to use the Caviar Ink Gel Liner. The reason why I love using these is that they don't dry straight away, so you can actually get a really nice smoky, smudgy line as well. The best way to get this out is to pop it onto your hand. Put the lid back on so that it doesn't dry out, and then you can use your hand as a palette. I like to get a little bit onto the brush, hold the brush flat, lift the eyes and go right in to the roots of the lashes. And the reason why I love to always start with this is because it almost makes the lashes look thicker and closes the gap when we apply liner. Great for every day as well, if you don't want to be putting a liner on top. See? It almost creates this really lovely thin line for you. So the next part is elongating the eye, and I'm just going to do a little wedge on the outer edge of my eye. So following the bottom lash line is the angle that you want to go up. Just bring it in, and then from the top of that, bring it across. So you're getting this sort of angle here. And then you want to fill that bit in, and then creating the outer edge, you want it to be slightly thicker, and then it goes towards the inner corner thinner so that you're getting that elongation. And the best way I always find is to tilt your head, look into the mirror, hold the brush flat and do dot to dot motions, because you will always get a straight line. So already you can see this has elongated my eyes. It's made my eyes look more almond shape. The next step that I'm going to show you, I'm just going to slightly amplify the look by creating a little bit more of a smokier vibe. You could use this as your everyday or your night. So for added lengthening, I'm going to go in with the colour Cocoa in the eyeshadow with the smoky eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to show you how to make this a little bit more smokier. So just taking it at the edges of the eyeliner, and you can bring it into the eyes. I don't like to take it all the way along because again I want this part to be thicker. And you can just gently buff any powder that's not sort of moving. So just to show you, this is with the powder smudged along the eyelashes, and this is without. Both work really well for every day or evening. It's completely up to you, but I almost find that when you smudge it out, it does almost make the eyes look more almond shape. So if you do tend to struggle with the lift of the liner, a really good tip is to get your concealer, pop a little bit onto the back of your hand, use a flat brush. I'm using the concealer blending brush. And then just take it from the bottom lash line and just pull upwards. It will really help to create that lift on that liner. Make sure to curl your lashes if you want a really good lash look. I always need to curl mine because mine are so straight. And then go in with your favourite mascara. Mine is the Smoky Eye Mascara. I absolutely love this because it's got a really nice small wand, gives you the most dramatic lashes without it clumping, and it has the blackest kohl pigment in it, so you're going to get that really nice deep lash. And I always like to take this right into the roots and then wiggle up through the lashes. This will help really curl but separate every single lash. And there we have it, guys. That's my elongated look for round eyes. I hope it was really useful to you and that you enjoyed watching it. If you do have any questions, do let me know and I will get back to you, and have a beautiful day. See you all soon. Bye.